This will be a speed test between the iPhone XS Max versus the OnePlus 6. Now the XS Max, this one has the A12 Bionic chip and 4 gigs of RAM. OnePlus 6, this one is the 8 gigabytes of RAM variant and comes with the Snapdragon 845. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the fastest boot up. Let's go. Now I'll give the boot up win to the iPhone XS Max. We are in! Don't have anything in the background on both phones. Phone app. Very close. Messages. Ooh, very close. Maybe the OnePlus. Very close. Maybe the XS on the camera. Start the stopwatch on this and leave that in the background. And let's open the browsers. Safari and Chrome. Search for GSM Arena on both. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Give that to the OnePlus. Scrolling through this. And let's go to the desktop version. Let's go. Looking at the bar again. And the OnePlus 6 way ahead. Pinch to zoom. Nice and fast. On both phones. Okay, a little bit of a, what's going on with the iPhone? Okay, that was weird. Let's see if I can get it to do it again. Can I do that again? Nope, maybe just a one-off. Calculator on both. Very fast. App Store and Play Store. Give that to the OnePlus. Search for Lyft. Okay, leave it right there. Amazon on both. Give that to the OnePlus 6. Click on this deal of the day. Leave it on that page. eBay. Give this to the OnePlus 6 again. HP laptop. Leave it right there. Let's see, NFL app. Ooh, very close. Maybe the XS. Okay, give that one to the XS. Baseball app. Give this to the XS. Super Mario Run. Loading on the OnePlus 6. And give this to the OnePlus 6. Tap to begin on both. iPhone a little bit faster running the game though. And we'll just leave it right there. Subway Surf. XS a little bit ahead here. Tap to play. And we'll leave it right there. Temple Run 2. Check this one out. Pirate Cove. Ooh! I think we have a tie here. We'll find out. iPhone XS, a little bit ahead. Tap to play. And we'll leave it right there. And let's see, Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. You can see both phones are really similar in terms of performance, and give this to the OnePlus 6. Weird pop-up. Tap the play button and we'll leave it there. And let's open PUBG. Minor differences here and there, but overall, I mean, okay, iPhone is a little bit ahead here. I'm gonna give this to the iPhone XS Max. There you go, San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, OnePlus 6, way ahead. As you can see, give this to the OnePlus 6. Instagram on both. OnePlus 6 on this one. Snapchat. OnePlus 6 again. Take a look at the multitasking of both phones. All apps in the background so you can see. See what happens right now. OnePlus 6 has 8 gigs of RAM. iPhone XS Max has half of that. Let's see what happens. Instagram, good to go on both. Grand Theft Auto, ready to play on both as you can see. PUBG, ready to play as well. Asphalt 9, good to go on both. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both. Subway Surf, same thing, ready to go. Let's see, Mario Run, good to go. Baseball, same place. NFL, same place. eBay, missed touch on the right, but it's still right there so you can see. See Amazon, same place, nice and fast on both. As you can see, no delays yet or anything. That was just a missed touch on the iPhone. See the browsers. Okay, same place, still on GSM Arena. Clock is still running the stopwatch. Camera app, very fast on both. Messages. Phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments, let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple ice sheep rocking the iPhone XS Max with a notch, no headphone jack, no headphone adapter in the box, and a slow charger in the box? Or are you team OnePlus rocking the OnePlus 6, also with a notch up top, but with this phone you can hide it if you want. This phone coming in with excellent specs for a pretty good price. Are you looking forward to the upcoming OnePlus 6T? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.